Take a look at these guys. This is how much you can actually earn right now with CPA marketing just by utilizing a very simple strategy I'm about to reveal to you in this video right here. And not only is the strategy going to be 100% free one, it's also going to be a beginners friendly one that you can actually do leverage right now, even if you're just starting CPA marketing right now today. So I do hope you do stick on and watch the video to the end to learn this strategy, also implement that and go on to making some cool cash online. If you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could go on to making money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of some AI tools. If you do like such content, right guys, you want to just simply hit the like button to the video and actually do go on to subscribing to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that you can get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online right there. So guys, without further ado and more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So the platform which we're going to be utilizing right now for our CPA marketing offers is this platform called CPAgrip.com. We can actually come onto this platform and register for the platform to get CPA marketing offers. We want to just simply go on to promoting, and to register, click on the register icon. That's going to lead you to this page where you just simply need to go on to filling out all the fields available to you. Mostly focus on the field with the red asterisk signs right now. As you can see, the fields indicate the required field that you must actually fill out before an account can be created on a platform such as this. And if you do come on to scrolling down to the bottom section, you can read through the terms of service via clicking on this option right now. You can also go on to agreeing to the terms of service right here by checking these boxes out before getting an account created by clicking on register now. So once your account has been created, kindly just simply go on to logging into your account right there. Once you do log into your account guys, you want to just simply come onto the offers page right here where you can see multiple CPA marketing offers. You could just simply go on to promoting right now, and it is quite easy to come onto the page. You just simply need to navigate to this section right here that says offer tools. You want to select that right here, a drop down list to be shown to you. Select my offers, be brought to a page similar to this, and you can filter your offers to go on to getting offers to any countries out there that you can actually do go on to promoting your offer to. So select the country of your preference right now. And guys, because of the particular platform we're going to be utilizing to promote our CPA marketing offer, it is quite important to know where the platform gets most of its traffic from the most, so that you can actually do go on to promoting offers from a country such as that right there to enable you get better conversions to your CPA marketing offers. And you can see right here guys that based on similar web statistics, the country gets most of its traffic from the United States. About 97% or 98% comes from the United States, 0.83% from Hong Kong, 0.45% from United Kingdom, 0.43% from Germany, and 0.39% from Brazil. But about 98% of its traffic comes from the United States, which is actually a very huge percentage right there. That is why it is quite much more necessary you go on to promoting a United States offer, as that can enable you get better conversions to your CPA marketing offer quite fast and easily. So once you come back to the page, you want to just simply filter your offers based on payouts. Select kind of some cool sweepstake offer right now. And guys, maybe I want to promote this offer right here, which is actually a giveaway offer right now. The offer is actually a giveaway for $2,500 cash right now, and this is for people in the United States that uses an Apple iOS device to submit their email and zip code while going through a simple survey just using this link right here which I have right now. So if they do that right there and fulfill this criteria which I just said right now, you're gonna get paid $1.09 right there for every person that completes that offer. So to promote the offer right now, you need to actually create a simple landing page. And guys, there are a lot of landing page builders out there that you could just simply use to create a simple landing page. You could use the Google site right now, or the breezy.io. You could use the systemy.io. You could use Webflow. Also, you could go on to utilizing other platforms like Linktree, bio.link, Warrior Plus, and getresponse.com. They are quite numerous right there. If you want to just simply gain access to some cool tutorial videos that shows you how to create simple landing pages for using such kind of website right there for absolutely free, you want to come onto the channel right here, OJ Marketing, which is also my channel. Click on the search icon, and you want to just simply come right here and type in landing page. If you do come right here, type in landing page, click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos that shows you how to create simple landing pages on such platforms. This one shows you how to create a landing page and earn up to $500 profit per day. This shows you how to create a simple landing page with the Systeme.io. This shows you how to create landing pages also with Systeme.io. This is with the Google site, this is with Webflow, this is with the Breezy Cloud, and the list keeps going on and on. Check out such videos and utilize such videos to create a simple landing page. Link the landing page to your CPA marketing offer, then go on to promoting that right there using the platform which we're going to be utilizing right here today. And the platform is none other than this platform right here called the sweetiesweeps.com. This is a very cool platform that you can use to go on to gain advantage of right now and drive some cool traffic to your CPA marketing offer just by actually listing your sweepstake among one of the sweeps picks right here that will be available on this particular platform. If you do click on Sweeties Picks right now, you'll be able to see some cool sweepstake offers right here that you could just simply go on to leveraging right now. Now for you to actually list yours among one of these, you select the sweeps right now. If you just select that right there, the page is going to load up for you right now, and you just need to go on to scrolling through. If you just scroll through right there, you'll be able to scroll down to the bottom section where you can actually see fields available for you to go on to filling out right now. And basically guys, check out the fields with red asterisk signs right here. Those are also an important fields you must go on to filling out right now before an offer can actually be posted on this platform. So you can actually go on to filling out your personal details like your name, your email address, and the name of the giveaway offer. So the name of the giveaway offer can actually be gotten from this particular section. You just need to copy the particular title right now from CPA Grip. You could also go on to downloading the image by right clicking on the image, save the image as, and just simply save the image on your device. Head back to that particular platform right there, and you want to just simply paste in the title. Once the title, the title should come right here. Once the title has actually been pasted, you want to come right here for the entry form, and the entry form is the link to that particular CPA marketing offer or the link to your landing page that you created and is already linked to your CPA offer right now. So all you need to do is to come onto the section, paste that in right here, do the similar thing for this link of official rules, and you could actually go on to uploading that image right here that you just downloaded right now. So if I do upload the image, you can see right now that the image has been uploaded. You want to just simply insert a start date for that particular offer to go on to running on this platform. You can see right here that guys, you can actually insert the format such as month and day, and you can see an example right here to January 31st. Maybe I can actually go on to put in something like January 31st also, and right now guys, I can just simply go on to put in an end date, maybe March 15th. And if I do put in something like this right here, you want to select the location to which you are driving your offer to, or you want to drive traffic to. I'm going to select United States. You want to select the age limit right now. I'm going to select from 16 upwards. You can actually select how many entries per person right now. Maybe I'm just going to select weekly entries per person right now, and once that is actually done, or you could just simply go to selecting one entry per person. That is actually okay right now. You also need to come right here and actually go on to inserting the full list of rules right now in this section. That is actually giving them guidelines on how they could actually complete that offer. Give them a simple step-by-step guideline, and you just need to insert more information. You can actually put in the listing and promotion fees right now. As you can see, I'm going to leave this on $0 right now. Once you're done guys, just simply agree to the terms of service right now before then going on to completing this captcha and submit this particular sweepstake right here to be listed among one of their sweepstakes, and people can see that, complete the offers, and you do make money right there online with this simple strategy, and the people also stand the chance of earning this particular amount right here. So it's gonna be a win-win for everyone, and I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, do hit the like button to the video. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel OJ Marketing, and your notification bell is always turned on all. You can leave a comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to give you a valuable answer as soon as possible. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.